3% withholding was enacted in 2005 as part of the Tax Increase Prevention and Reconciliation Act. And since that time, a number of organizations have been trying to get this provision repealed. What the provision does is it requires any companies or individuals doing business with the government, any government contractors, will have 3% of their payments withheld for federal income tax. The reason for this was to help reduce the tax gap. The IRS and Congress feels that this is a big portion of the tax gap where companies aren't reporting all of their income, and so a way to address that issue was to enact a 3% withholding requirement for payments to government contractors. This has a significant impact on industry in all areas. The reason this is a big deal is because a lot of companies in the tough economy that we're in are not operating on large profit margins. I currently work for the Associated General Contractors of America as the CFO, and this has a significant impact on our commercial construction members who have profit margins in most cases that are less than 3%. They operate on very narrow profit margins, and having a 3% withholding requirement on any payment they receive on these government contracts will significantly impact their ability to meet payroll. It will impact their ability to purchase materials and supplies to finish the construction contracts. This also impacts most businesses in Virginia that operate on narrow profit margins. Also, it has a significant impact because procurement and accounting systems are going to have to be changed to accommodate these new requirements. The other major impact that this 3% withholding has is on pass-through and flow-through entities. S corporations and partnerships are going to have to report this withholding to all their partners and shareholders, which is going to impact CPAs who prepare these returns as well. So we are hoping for repeal. There is a bill currently up for vote in the full House. H.R. 674 will come up for vote in a couple of weeks. Fortunately, we have 268 co-sponsors of this bill. Virginia has a number of representatives that are sponsoring the bill, so we're hoping for passage in the House. It's not too late if you'd like to reach out and contact your representative and request that they support this bill when it comes up for vote. Currently, there is no vote in Congress, no plan for a vote in Congress on this issue. We need to reach out to Senators Webb and Warner to ask them to co-sponsor S89 and S164 for repeal of the 3% withholding. So please take time, write your senators, write your representatives, call them and ask them to support repeal of this 3% withholding requirement, which is effective January 1st of 2013. So without repeal, this requirement will go into effect in the next year in a few months. So thank you for your time, and hopefully you will have time to reach out and support this bill through your senators.